In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. If you've ever wondered how different cryptocurrencies perform relative to each other, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily compare the movements of your chosen cryptocurrencies. First things first, let's start by opening up your browser and going to CoinMarketCap. If you're new to this, CoinMarketCap is a popular website that provides valuable data and insights about various cryptocurrencies and their performance in the market. Once you are on CoinMarketCap, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is where you can look up any cryptocurrency you're interested in. For today's demonstration, let's say you want to compare Bitcoin's performance. So go ahead and type Bitcoin into the search bar. As you start typing, you should see a list of suggestions popping up. Click on Bitcoin to go directly to its page. Now that we're on Bitcoin's page, let's scroll down until you find the Price Chart section. This section is your go-to to see how Bitcoin's price has moved over time. It's an interactive chart, which makes it great for in-depth analysis. Look towards the top of the chart, and you'll see various options to customize your view. What you want to do is find the Compare To option and give it a click. This nifty feature allows you to add another cryptocurrency to your chart for direct comparison. In the field that appears, begin typing the name or symbol of the second cryptocurrency you'd like to compare. For example, if you're curious about how Ethereum's price trends compare alongside Bitcoin, type in Ethereum or simply its symbol ETH. As you type, a list of potential matches will show up. Click on Ethereum from the list to add it to your chart. With both coins selected, the chart now updates to display both Bitcoin and Ethereum's price movements together. This setup provides a clear visual of their performance side by side. You can see trends, analyze deviations, and get a better understanding of how these two cryptocurrencies stack up against each other. This functionality makes it easy to spot any correlation or differences in their price patterns, aiding you in making more informed decisions. There you have it. A straightforward way to compare cryptocurrencies using CoinMarketCap's features. This method is flexible and can be used to compare a variety of coins you're interested in. Be sure to take the time to explore how different coins interact, as it can yield insights valuable for traders and investors alike. Thanks for tuning in, and happy analyzing.